Let's get started. Step 1, you're going to twist your foot on its heel, out, in, out, in. The other foot, you're going to take it up as you touch the ceiling. Twist and then raise your foot up, touch the ceiling. Twist. Now add the other foot, twist, but this time with the toe. So one foot is twisting on its heel, the other foot is on its toes. Together, heel, toe. Let's learn the next step. Take your hand, same foot, chop forward, take it back, hold your heart, give me 2 shakes, and now stick your heel out, put it flat, stick the other heel out. And as you do that, hug yourselves. Two of those steps, chop and back, 2 shakes, heel, ha, heel, hugging yourself. Good job. Second time, do the same step, shake it twice. This time, when you do the heel, flat heel, you're going to use calling fingers. Good. Now let's learn how to do the flat toe walk. The leading foot is going to be flat and the following on its toes. As you move, your toes are going to help you leverage your hip movement up like a rocking move as you go back and forth. Good job. Hand movements are going to be different. First time when you walk to the side, you're going to stick your 2 fingers out. Let me show you how. There you go. You're going to stick your fingers out. Next time, you're going to use a chopping move, your whole palms flip and flop. Now let's do a bump with your glute to the back and raise your hand up in the air. Bump, bending your knees and raise it up, up in the air. This time, make sure as you raise your hand up, your foot, opposite foot comes up in its knees. Make sure you extend your glutes back and then raise your hand up. Good job. Now let's do it fast. And up. There's a bouncing rhythm to this move which makes it look cool. Good job. Now let's learn the chorus step. You're going to slide your leg once and twice and then come back to the neutral. You're going to use your talking hands. Put your hand on the head, just above your head. And then you give me step touch, 2 of those. Good. Now when you do a step touch, put your hands, roll it up your head. You can do step sit to make it look even better. Now do a single, single, double, placing your heel on the ground. So single, single, and double. Now let's put the hands together. You're going to clasp it and push it with your foot as it does the single, single, double. Next step, you're going to put all your weight, free up the other leg to come back and forth. The opposite hand goes heart to head. Single, single, double, foot back and forth, heart to head. Good job. The next part of this step, you're going to give me a single step touch, another one, and then come back in position. Good job. So you're going to do your talking hand, pull, put it on the forehead, come back in position to do a step sit, rolling your head, and then single, single, double, and then leg back and forth, hand heart to head. Good job. Now you're going to use that twisting opposite twist move, raising the ceiling move. Now let me show you another step. Take that foot back cross and then drop your forward foot and come back in place. Back cross, drop, come back in place. One more time. Cross, drop, back to the neutral. Cross, drop, back to the neutral. Good job. This is how it looks when you do it fast. Cross top, back to the neutral, and you're all set.
रख लो सजा के तुझे सीने से लगा के आजा गले लग जा ख्वाब बना के तुझे दिल में छुपा के रखूं मेरे पास आ